Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Infinix or Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile sound vibration setting. And today friends I will tell you guys how to set custom ringtone how to set custom ringtone in Redmi mobile. Friends, you have downloaded any ringtone and friends you want to set your phone downloaded ringtone, your phone custom ringtone. So how to set and how to use custom ringtone setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, on your Redmi mobile friends, click here sound and vibrations setting. After on sound and vibration setting friends, click here ringtone setting. After on ringtone setting friends, you want to select any ringtone. So friends, you can select ringtone and you can set ringtone from here. Your phone system ringtone friends, you want to use your Redmi mobile phone system ringtone, you can select ringtone, you can change ringtone and you can use it. So friends, we will click online ringtone setting. Friends, you want to set online ringtone, so you can select online ringtone. Friends, click here second option, choose ringtone setting. Friends, you can select tone. So friends, you want to use music ringtone, you have music, so select your music ringtone and friends OK option, and friends you can select your music ringtone sound. And friends, if you click file manager setting, friends your custom ringtone, so select your custom ringtone and OK option, click here and friends your custom ringtone will add. Friends, you can see applied successfully, and friends your custom ringtone will set and you can use your custom ringtone. Right side friends, increase volume and you can use your Redmi mobile custom ringtone. And friends, you want to set custom ringtone on your alarm ringtone, so by same setting guys, click here, select your ringtone and you can use alarm custom ringtone. Same here friends, notification ringtone friends, you want to set custom ringtone, so click here, select ringtone and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set custom ringtone in Redmi mobile. Bye friends.